If your data tables still look like messy spreadsheets from 2005, we need to talk. Because in 2025, there is no excuse for chaos, especially when you're working with Ninja tables. This plugin isn't just for making tables, it's for people who care about structure, clarity, and clean design. If that's not you yet, don't worry, we're about to change that. One feature that instantly makes your tables look smarter: merging and splitting cells. It's a small move with massive visual payoff, like turning noise into signal. So let me walk you through exactly how to do this in both default tables and drag and drop tables inside Ninja tables. So I've got a sample table open here, and I want to clean up the top row by merging a few cells into one, so it acts like a single heading. First thing we do is go to the Table Configuration tab and change the render type to Advanced Table. This step is important because merging only works in that mode. Once that's done, let's jump over to the Table Rows tab. Now, here's how merging works. We need to select the cells we want to merge. Then, what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna double-click on each of them and then type hashtag colspan hashtag. Alright, so that tells Ninja tables to treat those selected cells as one big cell horizontally. So let's hit preview for a second. Okay, so do you see that? The cells are now merged into one smooth block, and that's exactly what we wanted. And the best part is, it's totally reversible. So if you ever want those cells back the way they were, what you have to do is you just have to delete the colspan text and everything goes right back to its original layout. So no harm done. So this is how it's actually done in a default table. Now, let's move on to the drag and drop table, which gives you even more flexibility. I've got one already set up, and we'll work on that. At the top, there's a button that says Manage Cells, so let's click on that. Now, we need to hold down Shift and select all the cells you want to merge. Alright, so once selected, just hit the Merge button, and boom, they combine instantly. But here's the cool part. Unlike the default method, the drag and drop editor lets you merge across both rows and columns. So if you're building a more complex layout or need a specific design, you've got the tools right here to make that happen. So let's go ahead and preview it. Okay, it looks super clean, right? Lit. And if you want to break that merged cell back into its parts, just click on the merged cell and hit Split Cells. Easy! You're back to square one without messing up the rest of your design. So yeah, whether you're using the classic method or the visual drag and drop builder, merging and splitting cells in Ninja tables is smooth, fast, and totally in your control. Because at the end of the day, it's not just about making tables. It's about building the layout that works for you, clean, smart, and exactly how you want it without any clutter. That's the Ninja tables way. If you've got any questions, leave it in the comments below. We are more than happy to help. See you in the next one. Bye!